Okay, today we see something. When you see something like this, that's a bird nest right there. If there's a bird or egg, do not remove it. You're gonna let them leave. With the weather like this, you gotta check it. If something inside, you cannot remove it. Let's see it. Can you see something? Nothing. So I'm gonna remove this thing. You do the same thing on your property because it will bring bugs. This is brand new. Probably on this one later on the carpenter bee will drill a hole on it, so it gotta be protected like bee traps. All right, here we go. We're gonna remove it. You see, it's so sticky. See? All right, it's nice built. See, there's nothing inside, so we gotta remove it. See, nothing, empty. All right.